Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm happy to introduce you another tool I have developed. A new one to assess your antivirus. It's called UDP-Evader. It's basically a platform independent UDP agent and controller that can be used to assess your AV, or it can be used as a potential bypass technique. It has no hardcore exploits or any no shellcode drama. It is just very basic version of UDP. And more on this one, basically it's UDP reversal written in Golang. That's why I mentioned that it is platform independent. And yeah, the main intention was to evade detection from AV apps. And if your AV antivirus is going to detect it, yeah, it's good, I can say. If not, just be careful because it's very basic reversal. So yeah. And some of other features I can say it has. You can set up the listener according to your need. Like you can set up your own prompt, or we can leave it as with the default one. And yeah, of course, you can set up the port and data at the runtime, including with the prompt. And yeah, that's basically about this one. There's nothing more to talk about this one. Let me take you to the demo directly. At present, the only thing you have to do is you have to download either the zip file or you can clone it if you have a GitHub CLA clone, GitHub CLA configured. Uh, the main thing I have to mention here is the process of building is not automated in this version. I can think of that to automate completely on next version. I personally have to build it from the source Go file. So just download it and use and ensure that your the where box that we are downloading this should have Go installed. Otherwise, you can build the binaries from the source. So let me. This is a base. I mean, this is a base URL. This is a project URL. You can see it here. I will add this to the description of this video. Let me take you to here. I already downloaded the main zip file, and from here, actually, I'm going to target my Windows machine as usual. For that, let me. I have created one. Just avoid typing and just created one. I such file for building it on Windows. The first thing I'm going to do is open this script. The keyboard is very that type it. And this is not a part of this project, but I can add this to this project file because if somebody wants to make it like you don't need to specify the entire command to target on Windows. So, but don't worry about this SS file. I'll completely automate the process of building using the same Go itself. So, don't need to worry about this. So, once you done that, just unzip it. After unzipping, you just move to the folder, go to the source folder, and from here, you have to open uh, the listener and the agent file, and you have to make some updates on that. Before that, check your IP. This is my IP. I have to make it like this one. No, going to update the UDP agent. Here it's going to be, I'm going to replace our host with the IP because this copy will. Okay. So basically, this agent is going to connect back to this machine. This is where I'm going to run the listener. So output can be anything. You should ensure that the output here you're mentioning should be set up with your listener. If you're going to run your listener without any custom port, the default port will be 8080. Either you can mention that here, or you can mention a custom prompt like 6789. Oops, that is locked. 6789. 6789. Just a custom prompt, and that's all you have to do in this file. Save it. And now you have to make the same kind of change in UDP listener. The only thing you have to make here is sorry, you don't need to make any changes here because it's yeah, you have to keep the port chain that you have made on UDP agent, because the listener is going to run with the port that we are going to supply at runtime. If no port is supplied, it's going to listen on 8080. But you have to ensure that you have set up the same port on UDP agent. So here I'm going to show you what's there on the kind of build file. It's here. Oh, sorry. It is here. Copy this one to basically just basis. Yeah, copy this to forms. This one, nothing but just we are targeting the agent to Windows. We are just mentioning the output file, what name you can supply for the output file. So I'm going to run the build agent with the name chat, just chatgpt.exe. Check whether it is built on. Yeah, it made it binary for me. Now it's time for us to build that UDP listener. Let's build the listener. When you're going to build it first time, the mode file, it will update all the packages as mentioned on the mode file, so we don't need to worry about that. I already tried before this demo, so that's why it's not showing those download instance. So basically, the listener is here. So I have to run the listener. I forgot what I had. Yeah, hyphen L port and hyphen prompt. So hyphen L port is 6789 and hyphen prompt. If no prompt is given, it will show you the UDP prompt. The prompt I am going to give is demo underscore UDP. Just provide a hash space. Let yeah, it's okay. It's running. Oops, you have to. Running this on root because most of the time I need to mess up with the permission issues otherwise. So here, what is that? What is this? UDP source. Here, yeah. I'm copying the chat GPT are already configured um, my folder here. So I'm just copying. I just configure this shared folder between my Windows machine and Linux machine. So this is the place I'm going to copy it to ensure that I can access this file on the operating machine. And yeah, just copied it. Now wait here, waiting for encryptor agent. Then come here on my victim machine. I'm going to my stuff. Then use a place. Copied that. Yeah, it's here. Copy ChatGPT dry users. Animated. Yeah, just copy to here and move to here. Yes, here. Just till now, maybe I think I have the AD running, but not the real time. What is that? I'm not sending any data. Where was just want to see the options. Settings. Yeah, the real time protection is wrong. Some of the cloud delivered protection and other stuff, I just put it off mode. I don't want to take this file. So the real time protection is on here. So I'm going to run this now. Just keep an eye on the right side. If it works well, you will get a prompt there. Oh, I think I messed up with that go build command. Can build go at least 386. Yeah, it should be running 386. Or we can try it by saying, I'm not sure did I make any mistake on that or not, but we will update that. Mouse build. Let me check what was the go test command. It is MD64, I think. What is it? It is MD64. Yeah, it's AMD64. Let me try that. AMD64. Always happens as level time. So, here, from India. No, I have removed. I'm going to build it again. Build agent. And what is that? Yeah, UDP. The exe. And yeah, oh, is there? Now I have to copy this. Now yeah, delete UDP. Copy withdraw. Just here. Yeah, this will work. Oh, cannot be used in this place. I'm not sure why it's not running. Okay, if that's the case, let me take my Windows. Windows machine. I'm not sure why it's not running. I don't want to waste my time on that. Maybe some mistake I'm doing on the building that on Linux. It's not showing any other. But check Windows. Oh shit! Yes, a mistake was there. Yeah, that's a big mistake. Mistake of copy pasting. It's GoOS. And yeah, it is 386. Save it. Delete. Here from here. No. Yeah, now we can build it again. That is a bigger mistake I have made actually. Instead, this should be GoOS. I missed out the Go G from the Go. That's why it was not. But I don't know why build without any error. Okay. So I had to rebuild it again. Build. Okay, let me remove the yeah, this is from here. Here. So go build as it. This time is trying to build it. It's taking time, yeah. I think this time will be correct. And just copy the test cases. Here, copy the field. Okay, now it is time for testing. I'm expecting this should be over. Security. Oh yeah. See the problem that we set demo. That's the problem that you see on the list right here. So yeah, it's just like any other reverse shells. It should work. First name. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry for wasting the time on building it. That was a mistake from my side. I should have checked that file before the demo. I didn't actually. In fact, I checked it, but I updated with the file name. Then I removed the G from the Go OS. Yeah, that's for this demo. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it informative. Hopefully, it will be helpful for your and your assessment needs. And if you have any questions or feedback about the tool, please leave a comment below, or you can just comment me on my GitHub. So, see you on next video. Till then, it's a bye from Alphas.